This is the Luseta Marula Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. Volumizing and hydrating formula. Both are color safe. Use this for a few weeks and my hair felt noticeably softer without that flat, weighed down feeling. The detangling was so much easier right away. Less pulling, less breakage on the brush. The products here gave a healthy, natural shine. My hair did not feel coated at all with the Marula oil added into these. It felt nice and shiny. This is one of those rare combos that hydrated without really stealing the volume. My hair was still had a volume to it once I blew dry it. When I was using this, it did feel gentle on the scalp, but still cleaned very well. So, this one is a good choice if you have hair that is dry, that is fine, or it's just tired of being overworked. I really liked this one, and it really smelled amazing. The opinions in this review are mine, based on my real use and testing of the product. The product was provided by the brand.